This is Topic 5, Lesson 1, Using Patterns to Divide. So just like we use patterns to multiply, we've actually already done some using patterns to divide um, with one-digit numbers. We're going to talk today about how you use patterns and facts, basic facts, to divide by multiples of 10. So if you remember correctly, when we talked about, we'll just do one, this is a little background very quick. Let's say we did 630 divided by 7. We said our basic fact was 63 divided by 7, and we said that was 9. And then we took this 1 0 and we annexed it, and we said it was 90. So basically, we're going to use the same exact process, except now instead of having a one-digit divisor, we're going to have two-digit divisors. And the same concept could be used for more and more and more digits in the divisor. It's not like it doesn't work for just one or two-digit divisors. So I'm going to show you some patterns with 18,000 divided by 9. So we're going to think of our basic fact as being 18 divided by 9. And 18 divided by 9 is 2, right? So if we think of the patterns, so we know so we know 180 divided by 90 would be the same as 18 divided by 18 tens. So this is 18 tens divided by 9 tens, and that would equal 2. So 180 divided by 90 would be 2. If you want to do it out, all right? Okay. Then we're going to go from there. We're going to say, if we add a 0 in here, 1800 divided by 90 would be the same as 180 tens divided by 9 tens, and that would equal 20. 18,000 divided by 90 would be the same as 1800 tens divided by 9 tens. That would be the same as 200. So you can see what we did here. Each one, we kept our 90 the same, and then we kept adding 1 0. Notice what happened over here. We kept adding one more 0. So there was no So it was 1 0 here, 1 0 here, so there was no zeros. 2 zeros here, so 1 0 there, so 20. 3 zeros here, 1 0, 2 0. So you can start to see a pattern maybe emerging in exactly how we do this. So we would say 18,000 divided by 90 would be 200. So our basic fact is still 18 divided by 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 9 is 2. And then we have these zeros we have to deal with. Okay, I'm going to show you. If you're a little confused, let me just show you kind of exactly. That's the pattern that we're following. So say we're doing 28,000 divided by 70. This is basically the way you're going to do this. You're going to look at it and you're going to say, okay, my basic fact is 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. I've got 2 zeros here. I've got 1 0 here. So that means I'm going to have 2 zeros minus my 1 0 would be 1 0. So 28,000 divided by 70 would be 40. Would be 40. So we take our basic facts, 28 divided by 7, there's my 4, and I had 2 zeros minus my 1 0 would equal 1 0. Okay, well, I want you to try it. This is going to be a really short video. And I want you to try two of them, though. I want you to try both of these. 720 divided by 80 and 42,000 divided by 60. Okay, so what did we do? Our first one here. We'll do this. Our basic fact is 72 divided by 8, and 72 divided by 8 is 9. 1 0 minus 1 0 is 1 0. So our answer would be 90. And then in our other one, our basic fact is 42 divided by 6 is 7. We have 3 zeros minus 1 0 would be 2 0. So that's how you divide using patterns. Thank you for listening and have a good weekend.